Hello guys, check out the new video, Mad Max pickup truck inspired. I just painted rusty looking Apocalypse. I just used this old pickup truck that I bought in thrift store in Goodwill, and this one is already broken. So I decided to disassemble. Check out the machine gun. I'm gonna add some more on this one. Check out the machine gun in the front. And the grill. And the tires.